Here's how I would scale a cleaning business from $200K to $2 million per year. And here's one of the fastest ways to actually grow your cleaning business in 2026 and beyond. A cleaning business is one of the fastest paths to predictable reoccurring revenue because you have clients basically paying you on a reoccurring basis. So all you really need is to stack 200 clients and you have around 40 to 80K per month with no revenue swings. But the gap between $200K to $2 million is usually a marketing and not a systems issue. So right now, the current ceiling is at $200K. You'll have 3 to 6 cleaners, 40 to 60 recurring clients. Chances are right now, most of your clients are coming in from number 1, word of mouth, next door, or some Google traffic. In good months, add 5 clients. Slow months barely have any net positive clients that retain. And the 2 core problems is number 1, visibility. So you're missing very high intent Google Maps buyers. If you're running paid ads, chances are those clients aren't very serious and they're not going to call you back, or whenever you actually call them up, they're not going to pick up the phone. And the second issue is basically churn. So quality drops or communication just goes completely silent. So both problems have different solutions. Number 1, filling a leaky bucket will not work. So you need to fix the leak and then scale acquisition. Lever number 1 that you need to pull to get your business from $200K to $2 million per year is to dominate Google Maps. And you need to own every single cleaning search term. So house cleaning, cleaning service, maid service, deep cleaning, move in, move out cleaning. And most competitors have very weak Google business profiles. Across the thousands of clients we have on our platform, a lot of the clients, whenever we onboard, they're not even trying to rank for any of the keywords that bring in the most amount of money. So they have inconsistent hours, old photos, or low reviews. So one category instead of several, the door becomes wide open. And what you need to do on your Google business profile listing is you need to list every single service separately and add descriptions on all the services. So reoccurring, deep clean, move in, out, post construction, Airbnb turnover, or commercial cleaning if applicable as well. And all of these services need specific descriptions. If you don't add descriptions on them, Google won't show that service to your customers. And then you need to post 2 times per week. So one big thing Google's looking for is consistency on the platform. So if you're not able to post 2 times per week, or you're not able to get more reviews, Google is going to assume you close down as a business even though your business is marked as open. This is the most common mistake I see in local businesses or cleaning companies on our platform, that they're not constantly updating the Google business profile. As a result, you're not going to get any new customers. So for these posts, you need to have cleaning tips, before and after, seasonal promos, activity that the algorithm rewards, and competitors are currently not doing this. So you need to mention every single neighborhood and zip code served. So local relevance beats generic city-wide listings as well. If you're a cleaning business and you want to scale to $2 million per year, go ahead, click a link in the description, book a call with me or one of my team members, and that call will run a free audit on your business where you're currently leaking in terms of getting more customers from Google and ChatGPT. Go ahead and click a link in the description and book a call. Now, if you're an agency and you're serving cleaning companies, you could go ahead and manage all their Google business profile and get them more customers from organic Google and AI search. Click a link in the description. You can go ahead and use our software to do that. Lever number 2 is reviews as a growth system. So automated texting within 2 hours of cleaning. The biggest thing is a lot of companies think that reviews don't matter when it comes to ranking. Reviews are one of the most prominent factors when it comes to Google business profile and AI search rankings. So you need to have a direct link to a review form, 1 tap, 30 seconds, because your customers are inviting strangers into their home. So review equals trust, not only just ranking better on Google, but also they could build up that trust. Next, the 60-day trigger for reoccurring clients. So after enough cleanings to form a real opinion, quarterly push for anybody who has not reviewed just yet. And then those reviews become a moat. So 200 reviews at 4.9 does not feel interchangeable. So it reduces price sensitivity and increases client stickiness as well once they've onboarded. So to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, you're getting more clients by ranking better on Google and AI search. Number 2, your clients stick longer because they know that you're a reputable company. Lever number 3 is AI-powered delivery. So you need to route optimization by neighborhood. So group cleanings geographically by day. Every extra job per cleaner per week compounds to the revenue that you could generate. AI lead response within minutes. So cleaning customers book with whoever responds the fastest. AI answers pricing availability, books initial cleaning directly onto the calendar. And then the churn detection system. So client reschedules twice or cancels 1, flag it. Owner checks in messages, goes out immediately, and then most churn is preventable on a cleaning company on a reoccurring basis. Lever number 4 is commercial account expansion. So higher ticket than residential because one single office building can equal 800 to 3K per month. Once landed, that retention is very, very high because it's a B2B relationship compared to into those B2C relationships for residential. Next, you need to target the right prospects. So small office buildings, medical offices, or dental practices. Real estate offices within 10 miles of your service area. And this is going to be a revenue stabilizer for your business. So commercial contracts stabilize cash flow and makes business easier to staff for. So 10 commercial accounts at 1.5K per month average equals 15K additional monthly recurring revenue with no residential acquisition costs. You can basically just live off of these commercial account expansions. One of the biggest parts of getting these commercial jobs is, number one, do you have a reputable Google business profile? Is it designed to convert these commercial accounts? Number two, does your website look good enough and builds trust? If any of these levers are missing, you're not going to be able to land these commercial accounts. But the biggest lever is, are you able to even be found on Google and AI? If you're not able to be found, there's no chance you're going to land any of these commercial accounts. If you need help in getting your cleaning company found on Google and AI search, click a link in the description and go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you got some value out of this video, and I'll catch you in the next video.